So guys, it's my mom's birthday and we're going to Point Radix. Let's go on to her.
Hi guys, welcome to Island Adventure Caribbean Style. My name is Cherry and Douglas, and yes, as Ariana said, we are going to Point Radix for my birthday weekend. Yes, today is my birthday, so we are headed to Point Radix now. So see you guys there. Family area. There's a lovely, beautiful place called Point Radix. This is where we're going to spend the weekend, and we're going to have some fun doing it. So there's a lovely ocean view. So the house there with the light there, we are staying right there. So we're going to show you guys more of it a little later on. So see you guys. So there we have salmon on the go here.
Grapefruit?
Smells like a grapefruit. Salmon on the go here. So this is our little cottage here. Once again, playing games. And we have this little stairway here. Goes up to a loft.
I think I might break down this tree one time.
Oh, this is where
I don't know if I should. I wouldn't. I would ask you guys in the comments and you would tell me. Because I don't know if this...
Yes, this is the kitchen here. It's a very beautiful kitchen. Very beautiful. Nice little eating area here. A nice washing machine, dryer. We have a bedroom here. Ooh, it's cold. This room here is where I will be sleeping. So it's pretty little, nice little cozy little place. Very, very nice. Set up, magnificent, magnificent. Thumbs up. Let's see what Mama got to drink for the weekend. Well stocked up, nice. Yes, that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys the outside tomorrow because it's dark out. So we'll do a tour of the place tomorrow. So let's start to cook dinner. So I'm just cutting up some seasoning stuff too. Some celery here. So we have some garlic here. I'm going to grate it. So I have the fish here. I have the cut up all the add some salt and black pepper, take paprika, oil, garlic powder, some paprika, nice. We have some lemon pepper seasoning. That goes nice on fish. Some all-purpose seasoning here. Has to soak in nice in it. Nice. There's some complete seasoning here. Nice. And finally some pink salt. Now we're going to rub them in together. So my fresh green seasoning. I'll sit for about 30 minutes or so. Ooh, looks lovely.
Okay, Harry, we pretty much done here.
But don't forget the cabbage.
Yeah, cut the cabbage out. Watch my fingers, girl. God, you almost cut my finger right off.
You think you need the cabbage?
No.
I don't think so.
Oh, God, you guys.
Why you push your child for?
But she's in my way. And I'm a bully.
Oh, you know.
And I'm a bully. Bully.
I don't bully you.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's what you're supposed to do, cabbage.
I don't know.
Look at that for goat.
Watch your toe, girl.
We're in Mom's kitchen. That's what we done. Why are we doing my again? Oh, why is Daddy cutting the cabbage for goat?
Go, do you know what goat means? Greatest of all time.
Mm.
True.
Greatest of all time.
That's true. So guys, like my dad was bragging that we have compound butter. What we doing? So here's no more butter.
Put butter in. What you're talking about.
Butter and seasoning. Slice.
Say it over, Gil.
What to say?
Wait, there's somebody come on butter.
So guys, Daddy was bragging about the compound butter. He was bragging about the compound butter. You see that?
Careful what you say, what you call it.
But we have no compound butter because someone forgot it.
Mommy, you coming outside?
So we use no butter.
So we're going to put this salmon on the grill.
I really think that was salmon, but like no, Daddy just calling it fish, so it's just fish. I don't want to screw up the video here.
Beautiful.
Can I see you sound?
I don't know.
Little Poochie.
We got a dog called, well, my kid's name is Poochie.
Daddy called it Poochie
So, but he's staying here though.
because we feed him. I mean, it looked like he never got feed in days.
So David's flipping the salmon.
I don't know, baby.
Flipping slash mashing up.
Yeah, she's mashing good. Oh well.
That one didn't mash up. Please don't make that one mash up.
Yeah, but the skin come off it.
I don't like the skin.
But
That's
if you
okay.
guys could smell it, oh
smell good.
my God, it smells
Like blue game.
magnificent.
No. How do you know you can't smell blue gabe? You say like blue gabe. How do you know you don't know? You never get to smell
This
blue
a
gabe.
piece.
No.
So I'm gonna
How
try
does
this piece.
He,
Here, Harry.
no, he just said, I wish you guys could smell it.
What's on it?
Smells good.
I would have small fine bones, eh?
Wow.
I had none.
They're both have bones.
I got no bones.
Let's take a little look at this.
I got a little piece of.
It's steaming nice. Oh yeah.
Mm.
You want a little piece of that?
Yeah.
There you got it on.
Yes.
Babe, if I think hit
This
me
is
in my
going to shoot
head
up 7,000
and kill
miles.
me, babe, I'll come back in my
Did you just say
spirit.
shoot up in your head and kill you?
Hit me in my head.
Mommy, duck. Poochie, duck. Everybody duck.
Harry, how you doing? You watching?
The camera on?
Oh, it's coming. It's coming. This is in celebration of Mummy's birthday. Oh, here we go. You ready?
Yes.
You got to get it shooting way up, eh?
But she need to follow
Ready?
it. She can't follow it.
That's good.
Did you get it?
Yes. They not like riding. I can feed in that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna feed in.
Come, Poochie. Poochie.
Going that fast.
Right after.
He's a bit of a glutton, isn't he?
I've given him some of my fish because I already bought off. You want something to drink or a cupcake? Yeah, a cupcake. Yeah. Or brownie. But yeah, but Mama said we not allowed. They'll just sneak. Yeah, sneak fully and we'll say a ghost eat all the cupcake. Which one? Brownie or cupcake? I do a cupcake. I do a cupcake too. I want to do brownie. The brownie looking good, but the cupcake looking good too. Yeah. I will do the brownie. I don't want to put the ball. No. It's after you take them. I like my cupcake. Hold on, wait, I'm going. That pork is good. You see how you would have bigger piece? That chocolate. Okay. That heart is good. How about you eat it together? I give the cupcakes 10 out of 10. Yeah, me too. Hey, okay, finally, I'll just brush open. This is brownies, so I want to take this first and then I'll eat one of the big brownies.
So, my adventure family, we are here at Point Radix and it's a very awesome beach. Really awesome. Check it out. No one on the beach except us adventure family, just us.